দেখাচ্ছি। As you can see this, you can hear the sound. This is India's most venomous snake. It's a Russell Viper. And if you see anywhere, please do not go close until and unless if you don't know, don't catch. You need to require lots of practice and skill and experience to handle such venomous snake. You can hear the sound. This has been rescued from one of the place and it looks like a female and it's pregnant, and we hope that we might get to see their babies very soon. So now, because you can see there are two jars are kept here, we are shifting from the smaller place to the bigger jar. So if she tries to get deliver the babies, so she will be more comfortable with the babies. Okay.
और 5 हो जाते हैं अभी आवाज़